Hi everyone. What we have here is the 2025 Tenere 700. Been a big question in my mind. 2024 model, you could add a quick shifter, but it was only upshifting only. Now for the 25, the parts catalog online says upshifting only. The manual for the bike says bidirectional, up and down. So we're here to find out if it's bidirectional and how it works, and kind of explain quick shifters to some people who might not know quite how they work. I know there have been a lot of people afraid to use their quick shifter because they just don't understand it. So if I can shed some light on that, that's what I'm going to try to do today. Stay tuned. In seconds, you'll know the answer.
ABS rear is off, traction control is off. So if I want to have any fun. Anyways, been a big question. Is the new 2025 Tenere 700, is the available quick shifter? You have to buy it. I think it's $199. Is it bidirectional finally, or is it just for upshifting only like the previous year? Well, let me tell you, it's bidirectional right here, up, down on my dash. And a lot of people don't understand quick shifting, so I'm going to try to show how this one works and explain a little bit if I can. Quick shifters used to be, and all my knowledge base is, used to be big in road racing. You know, high RPM, quick shifting. Then it started getting on sport bikes. Now we have it on adventure bikes and standard bikes because it's a great thing. It works everywhere. But they like RPM to be high. It's when they work smoothest and best. So we're going to play with this real quick here and show you how it works. I guess I'll tell you what I'm doing as I do it. Get up here. Right now I'm shifting with the clutch. Quick shifters, when you're using lower RPM, they're not as smooth. And that goes for the Yamaha here as well. Okay, chop the throttle. Just downshift with my foot, no clutch. Upshift, upshift. Not using the clutch anymore. It's going to be all quick shifter. Hope it works when you're going towards a cliff. Now, the more you wind it out, the smoother it's going to be. Okay, that was my hand. So I wanted to have fun. It takes away a complete element. No clutching. It's out of your mind. You just chop the throttle for downshifting and shift. Upshifting, the higher you are on the throttle, the harder you're on the throttle, the smoother it is. Okay, just hit it with your foot. Hit it up with your foot. Up with your foot again. Now this is a perfect adventure bike road because it's nasty with gravel across there, dirt, more gravel, dirt to avoid. Almost used a clutch there. No clutch. Now on a slick road like this, when I get to off-road use, woo. One less thing to worry about on this because it's so nasty. It's a really good thing. See, because I don't have full control. Now, if I turn traction control on, it's not going to do that. I can just spin it up anytime and hold it there. So, if I'm off-road and I'm heading towards a corner and I'm in too hot, well, that's not the one. Okay, I'm too hot, I can just stab. I can take one thing out of my conscience thinking to make that corner. And on an adventure bike, making a corner off-road takes a lot more work because you don't have the leeway. You don't have the traction, you have the added weight. See, I can just spin it up anytime. Okay, stab, stab. All right, now upshifting wasn't working full throttle, but here's this turns green when I can have it available, which I don't really need that, but you know what's a nice touch? Speaking of nice touches, you get this blue underneath the tack needle. That's awesome. When you change things around, your shift, by the way, we're down to 92, it was 100. Coolant's 206 right now. When you change the screen, you add your music or whatever, the gear indicator comes down here, the quick shifter comes down here, it moves around. They've really paid attention to this and made it fun. So let's do a little more quick shifter off-road. What I like quick shifter for off-road the most is just what I was saying. When I'm heading into a corner and I'm too hot, I don't want to think about the clutch. I just want to stab, get in the gear I need to be and work on getting slowed down and through that corner safely. Like right now, there's some times when I'm hard on the throttle, it's not shifting. I wonder what the light said there. No, there it worked fine. So okay, I'm a little hot. I'm revving it up with my throttle hand, which I don't need to, but the quick shifters I've used in the past, they will cut the ignition and they will rev the engine to match everything, the tranny and the engine RPM. And downshifting on this, it doesn't do it. You don't notice that blip of the throttle, which is fun, sounds fantastic. This doesn't do it. It's a little bit rough part of the time. So it works. I reached out to Yamaha, got no response, so recalibrated it the way they tell you when you install it. And that's what we have. I'm sure this is pretty nasty now. Turns into silt out of nowhere. And like right there, I'm hot. Stab the throttle. I wish it were smoother. I wish I could hear it blip the throttle and it were smoother. Okay, while the wheel was spinning, it wouldn't shift. When it stopped spinning, it's like, here's a corner. I'd like to just forget about the clutch, make the corner because it's turning into silt here. At least it doesn't just automatically go sideways on this road like the last. Okay. Oh, sand, go through it straight, then get turned. Yeah, it's turning back to crap. I can just watch. I'm so used to using my throttle hand because I shift without the clutch a lot just by matching the throttle. Anyways, that's the Yamaha quick shifter on the 2025 Tenere 700. It's a great addition. Oh, Sandy, want to use the gas a little bit through there. And that's about it. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe. Tell a friend. Whatever you can do to help. And with your help, I can do it. Bring you great content, do everything I can to give you the best possible reporting. Okay, that's kind of like road racing there. A little fast with cow territory and open range, so. Okay, everybody, have a great ride.